Hi everyone, welcome to Fun Food Fashion. Today I'm going to share with you chicken hot and sour soup recipe, which is very famous among us because we always order this in the restaurant, but we don't try to make it. But seriously, it's very easy to make at home. You don't need to waste a lot of money for it in the restaurant. So I'm going to share the recipe, but first thing first, hit the subscribe button if you are new and press the bell icon so that you get all the notification of my further video. Now start the recipe. For that, here I have taken a pan. To that I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. You can add butter if you want, but I am not using butter. I'm keeping it healthy. Now the oil is nice and hot. I'm adding 1 small sized onion which I have finely chopped. Make sure you cut all the vegetables for this soup very finely. Next goes in 2 tablespoons of spring onion, white portion, the bulb portion of the spring onion. I have cut them very finely and mix them, and over high flame cook it for a minute or so. Next I'm going to add 3 cloves of grated garlic. You can add chopped garlic if you want. Then goes 2 green chilies chopped. You can increase the amount of green chilies if you want it more spicy. Next add 4 to 5 baby corns which are thinly sliced. We're going to stir fry them and add the veggies in sequence. Those which will take more time, add them at first. Next goes 1 carrot, 1 very small carrot which I have very finely chopped, and mix it. And over medium flame I'm going to cook them. Next goes 1 large tomato finely chopped, and with that 1 small capsicum or half of a capsicum if you are using big one, that is also finely chopped. Now to that I'm going to add half a cup of cabbage, thinly sliced. So the vegetable that will take more time to cook, I have added them at first. Now the vegetable that will take less time, I am adding it now. Next I have added 150 grams of chicken which I have boiled and shredded, and don't throw away the stock, we're going to use it here. Next add salt according to your taste, but don't add too much because we are going to add some sausage which are also containing some salt. Next add half a teaspoon of sugar to balance the taste. It will enhance the taste of the soup, and mix it. Sugar is optional, but I will recommend you to use it for better taste. Next goes the dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon, half tablespoon vinegar for tartness, 2 teaspoons of red chili sauce or Tabasco sauce. I'm using Tabasco sauce here. You can use red chili sauce, and increase or decrease the amount of red chili sauce according to your taste, how much heat you want into your hot and sour soup. Next I'm going to add 2 cups of chicken stock, the same stock I have preserved from the boiled chicken. And over high flame I'm going to let them come to boil. Mix it thoroughly. Next I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder and mix as well. And I'm going to cover it, and over medium flame I'm going to cook it for 7-8 minutes, and we are back. And as you can see, the veggies are quite done, but we don't want them to be mushy. Next add 1/4 cup of spring onion greens and mix. Make sure they are not too much cooked through. there should be a little bit crunch into the veggies. Now I have added 1.5 tablespoon of corn flour with 3 tablespoons of water and mix the slurry to thicken the soup. So this is the consistency of the soup I want, but if you want to make it more thick, you can add more corn flour. Now take it out into a bowl and it's ready. Serve it hot and enjoy this with your friends and family, especially the kids. It's very good for kids. Don't forget to like the video, share the video and comment on the video as well. And thank you for watching.